Singer Vishal Dadlani has reacted to Prime Minister Narendra Modi's recent video in which the Prime Minister said he forgives the young people who allegedly abused him during the Jantar Mantar protest in Delhi. The remarks referred to a viral video from the demonstration in which a woman from Noida was allegedly seen using abusive language against the Prime Minister. An FIR has since been registered against her. In response, Dadlani shared a video criticizing the government's reaction to the protests. He argued that the debate had shifted from the issues raised by students to the abusive language used during the demonstration. According to him, the public discussion was focusing more on the alleged insults directed at the Prime Minister than on the concerns that brought thousands of students onto the streets. He said the protests were driven by allegations surrounding the NEET paper leak, the impact on students' careers, and the reported student suicides linked to the controversy. Dadlani maintained that these issues deserved greater public attention than the language used by some protesters. The singer also raised concerns over the police response to the demonstrations, alleging that protesters faced tear gas, lathi charges, pellet guns, criminal cases, and facial recognition-based identification. He questioned why these developments were not receiving the same level of public scrutiny. Dadlani further criticized the reaction to women protesters allegedly using abusive language, describing the criticism as an example of misogyny because it placed different expectations on women and men. He also accused the authorities of gaslighting by focusing on the conduct of protesters while overlooking the grievances that led to the demonstrations. Addressing the government's approach, Dadlani said meaningful engagement with young people should come through addressing their concerns rather than public relations campaigns or social media messaging. He argued that genuine reforms in the education system and efforts to resolve students' issues would naturally help build trust between the government and the youth. Dadlani's reaction came after Prime Minister Narendra Modi released a video stating that he forgives the young people who allegedly abused him during the Jantar Mantar protest, which was organized over the alleged NEET paper leak. The singer has publicly supported the student movement since the protests began. For more such updates, stay tuned to Daily Salar Digital.